Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us for February's edition of the top 5 tutorials for After Effects, and I honestly can't quite believe it's February already. The script that I mentioned last month is making some really good progress, and when I have some more screenshots worthy of sharing, I certainly will. Finally, we have just started a Discord server, and it would be great to have you aboard. You can ask questions, you can help other people, and also you just have a chat if you like. And at the moment, there's literally I'm the only member, so it's fairly bare. So it would be nice if a few more joined. Alright, enough for me banging on, let's check out these videos. The first video this month is by Smertimba Graphics, and you'll learn how to export a GIF from After Effects. It's a bit of a curveball as it's not technically After Effects and you do actually send the composition into Adobe Media Encoder, but it's still a great tip nonetheless. Check it out. The second video this month is by David Lindgren. And again, I love it when we go back to basics. In this instance, we learn how to trim the comp work area. It's simple but very useful. The example we are given is you may have a composition that is 20 seconds long, but the layers in the composition are 6 seconds. So trimming the comp is a great way to reduce the length of the comp and remove any dead space. This is great when working with one comp, or even if you have multiple comps such as pre-comps. Check it out. The third tutorial is by Panda. I've seen a fair few of these kind of animations kicking around with this style, and it's great to see how Rob breaks it down and creates it in After Effects. Honestly, I just assumed most of these had been done using a third-party program like Cinema 4D or Blender, as working with 3D objects is more native and it's easier, but Rob does a great job of showing us how you can do it in After Effects. You'll discover how to use the CC cylinder effect and use pre-comps to get the final result. The fourth tutorial is by Video Mark, and this is a really cool tip. What you'll learn is how to create a Radial Progress Bar. You'll be using a shape layer and a text layer, and you'll also use a couple of effects, the Radial Wipe effect and an expression slider. You'll then connect a couple of the properties from the Radial Wipe effect and from the text layer to the expression slider. And you'll do this using the pick whip and a little bit of an expression too. And when that's done, you've got yourself a Radial Progress Bar. Go on, check it out. The fifth and final video of this month's roundup is by Nate from NT Productions. Finally, I'm actually able to include one of Nate's tutorials, and I'm very happy about that. Nate is without a doubt probably one of the most prolific tutorial creators for scripting in After Effects and Premiere. And he also touches on Photoshop and Illustrator too. And why I'm making a big deal about this tutorial is it's really a foundation into understanding what scripting is and how it can be applied to After Effects. Scripting can be used in many ways. You can make tools, you can automate workflows, and you can remove some of the unnecessary repetitive tasks we find ourselves doing all of the time. You'll be taken through literally everything you need to get started. Of course, this is only one tutorial, but I highly recommend checking it out. Nate's a bit of a legend. Alright, well thanks again guys. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification icon too. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments, or alternatively, you can join our Discord and ask us there. Finally, head over to our website, aftereffectsbeginner.com, and sign up to our newsletter.